What's up, guys? Ernesta here, and welcome back to the next episode of the Art of AI. This one's gonna be a bit of a marathon because we're covering all the setups for our latest version. So I'll be skipping the theory for now. Hopefully, this makes your automation journey a whole lot smoother. If you find this series helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep me motivated. Alright, let's start with the download. Our newest update, version 2.01, is packed with crucial features and we've squashed a ton of bugs. Let's get into it. First, head over to the website on the screen. I'll drop the link in the description below. Click on Download for Windows. Scroll all the way down until you see the Assets section. Click on the GLab Automation zip file, and your system will start downloading it automatically. Once that's done, make sure you have WinRAR installed to extract it. I've included that link down below too. After extracting, open up the folder and launch GLab Automation. Windows might throw a warning screen at you because it's an unrecognized folder. Let me assure you, our software is completely clean. No viruses, no malware. You can scan it with Kaspersky or Bitdefender, and it'll pass perfectly. So rest easy. Just click on More Info and then hit Run Anyway. Some of you might run into an error where the tool won't boot up. Like what you're seeing on screen. This happens when Windows Defender or your firewall mistakenly flags our extracted files as viruses and deletes them. To fix this, just follow these steps. Hit the Windows key on your keyboard, type in Windows Security, and open it up. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to the Virus and Threat Protection settings and click Manage Settings. Find the Exclusions section and click Add or Remove Exclusions. Now, point the path directly to your GLab Automation folder. Once you've done that, go back and extract the zip file one more time. Before we dive into the tool, let's go over the resources you need to have ready. 1. A highly secure personal Gmail account. This is what you use to log into the tool and manage your subscription. 2. A VO3 Family Ultra account. Pro or Free works too. Right now, we actually support image generation even on free VO3 accounts. There are two types of Ultra accounts out there. Domain Ultra accounts. These look like Insta9x at tlshops.luxury. Since they don't end in at gmail.com, they are domain emails. You can still use these to make videos via Flow and use Gemini. But Google monitors them heavily, so sellers rarely offer full warranties. And yeah, you can't use these accounts with our tool. Family Ultra accounts. This is where the seller adds your personal email to their family plan. You get full access to everything, anti-gravity, Gemini, VO3, etc. Depending on the seller, you might even be able to use extra credits, though they'll cost more. Because this is your personal email, the trust score is super high, so you can confidently use all the tool's features. Free, a generative AI account or prompt-making software. You can use Gemini, included in your VO3 account, ChatGPT, or Claude to write your scripts or prompts. I covered how to write killer prompts in previous episodes, so check out the playlist in the description if you need a refresher. To sum it up, you need 1. A secure personal Gmail account. 2. A VO3.1 account. 3. A generative AI account or prompting tool. Alright, back to the software. When the tool boots up, you'll hit the Login with Google screen. Make sure you select the specific personal Gmail you want to use as your tool account. Let me repeat that this is your tool account. This secures your access even if you log in from a different PC or location. So use a highly secure account. After logging in, you'll see our free subscription tiers, Basic, Plus, and Max. The similarities, differences, and key features are clearly marked on the chart, so take a look before you decide. To subscribe, scroll down and hit Login with Google again. Remember, this is your secure tool account, not your video generation account. Now, I'm gonna click the subscribe button. You have two payment options here. If you have a Vietnamese bank account, you can simply transfer via the QR code on screen. If you're using an international card, hit Open Payment Page to go to checkout. Just fill in your info, Pick your plan, and you're good to go. Give it about 1 to 2 minutes for the app to renew. If it gets stuck, just ping us on Discord and we'll help you out. Alright, that's sorted. Let's move on to the next step. Click on the Account section. Go to the Google Account tab. Here, you'll input the VO free account I told you to prep earlier. Again, this is the VO free account, not your personal Gmail. Once logged in, wait a few seconds for the account to load. Next up is something extremely important. Please pay attention so your workflow runs smoothly. Google's anti-bot system is ruthless. This means you might hit a 403 error because Google thinks you're a bot. It will block your uploads and pause your generation. I'm going to show you 2 ways to fix this. Method 1, paid, using proxies. In the proxy pool section, we have a text box for your proxies. Make sure the format is right. Then hit Test Proxy. Don't forget to enable the Share Proxy tool toggle. This ensures it auto-rotates your proxy whenever you hit a 403 error. That being said, even though it's paid, it's not perfect. If you buy a bad proxy, you'll still get 403 errors. So, let me show you method 2. After extensive testing, this method has completely eliminated the error for us. It involves using an extension designed by our team. Switch over to the Authentication tab. You have 2 ways to install it. You can just click Install from Store for a quick setup. If you get an error installing from the store, follow these steps closely. Click on Open Extension folder. This opens a specific path in your Tools directory. Copy that exact path. Now, open up Google Chrome. Click the 3 dots in the top right. Go to Settings. On the left sidebar, click Extensions. In the top right corner, turn on Developer Mode. Click Load Unpacked. Paste the path you copied and hit Enter to go to the folder. Select that folder, and boom, the extension is installed. Next, click the puzzle icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Find the extension and click the pin icon to pin it to your toolbar. Now, click the extension and hit Verify. Flow will pop up, which means it's working. Check the extension again, and you'll see it's connected. Always remember, when using this method, you must keep that Chrome tab active. Do not minimize it. Alright, that part is done. Now let's check out General Settings. You can pick your language here. Currently, it's just English or Vietnamese. So choose what works for you. Lastly, in Settings, we have the Logs. This is where you track your progress and identify any errors. Let's close this out for now. Looking at the left sidebar, you have Create Image, Create Video, Create Workflow, and Webhook. We just went over Settings. Activity is your log. You can also click Community to join our Discord, or YouTube to follow our channel. Let's dive into the first section, Create Image. Right away, you see the models. You can choose Imagen 4, Nano Banana, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro. Next is Resolution 1K, 2K, 4K. Then Aspect Ratio 16:9 for landscape, or 9:16 for portrait. Moving on, you set the number of images generated per prompt. If you pick 1, you get 1 image. If you pick 2, you get 2 different variations based on that prompt. On the screen is an example of 1 prompt generating 4 images. They differ slightly but share the same structure. Next is Concurrent Threads. This sets how many prompts run simultaneously. If you pick 6, it runs 6 threads at once. You can see an example of a single thread versus 6 threads on the screen. You also need to set the delay between threads. I recommend 10s to 20s to avoid getting flagged as spam. Next is Reference Mode. One for all. Sequential takes the output of the previous prompt as the reference for the next one. Note, sequential mode doesn't use concurrent threads because it has to wait for one prompt to finish before starting the next. Then there's the lock seed option. Enable this to synchronize characters across all your images. Next is import file. You can use text or Excel files. Then, pick your format, one line, one prompt, or JSON. Use the text box to input your prompts. matching the format you chose. Next is the reference folder. This grabs reference images based on the file names mentioned in your prompts. For example, look at the prompt on screen and the corresponding file name in the folder. If I point the path to this folder, it will grab any image named in the prompt as a reference. Next to the save modes, you have 3 options. 1. No subfolders, everything saves straight to your chosen path. 2. Creates a subfolder for each task. 3. Creates a subfolder for each prompt. Pick the destination folder where you want your files saved. Once you've preset everything, click Add to Queue. This puts your task into the queue manager. Once it finishes a task, it moves to the next one. After selecting everything, just hit Start Now. If you need to make changes, hit Pause to edit, or hit Stop to cancel it completely. Let's look at the left side now. You'll see a row with a checkbox: sequence number, task name, reference image, your prompt, output, and progress. These columns give you all the info you need to monitor your tasks. At the end of the progress column, there's a menu showing all, waiting, running, success, and error. This helps you sort your prompts visually and easily spot errors. Now, looking down at the bottom, from left to right, we have Add Image, Delete, Clear All, Retry Errors, Run Selected, and Load Session. Add Image lets you choose reference images. Normally, it adds them sequentially, but if you check the box to apply to all prompts, that reference is sent to every single one. Next is Delete. Remember the checkbox column. If you click the Master checkbox, it selects all prompts, or select a specific row, hit Delete, and it's gone. You can also hit Clear All to wipe everything. Retry Errors does exactly what it says. Click it, and it automatically finds any prompts labeled error and reruns them. Then we have Run Selected. You have to check the box next to a prompt row first. Then hit this button for it to work. Load Session is a time machine. It reloads tasks you've run previously. Now, let's look at the rows inside the table. Under Reference, you can click the boxes to choose a reference image for each prompt, or click an existing reference image to delete it. You can click the prompt box to edit your text, or click Output to view your generated image. Once a prompt finishes, a folder icon appears in the progress column linking directly to your saved image. You also have a Retry button right there if you want to run it again. Before running anything, use ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude to write your prompts. I've covered prompting in previous videos, so check those out. We actually have a script writing tool launching soon alongside GLab for you to try. Our tool analyzes a writing style you like, rewrites the script, acts as an AI director to break it into scenes, and generates the prompts. It even handles thumbnails, descriptions, and titles. All that's left is using GLab to make the video. Alright, I've got my prompts ready, and I'm gonna fire up all 5 projects at once. My setup is on the screen if you want to copy it. For this demo, I'm generating reference images first, then using those for the scene builder. Remember, keep that Chrome extension tab open. Let's run it. Okay, the reference images for all 5 projects are done. These are your character and context sheets. I've shown you how to make these in previous videos, so go review those. Now, I need to rename them to match the file names in my prompts. Make sure you do this carefully by hand. Our tool actually has a battery name feature built in, so I'm just gonna use that. For this part, I'll run one project in sequential mode, and the other 4 in default mode. Sequential takes a while, so I'm just doing one so you can compare. And we're done with all the projects. Here are the images to compare. Because of the scene builder, all these images have highly consistent characters, styles, and environments with good continuity. However, with sequential mode, you can see the continuity is much higher, with the environment and narrative flow perfectly locked in. But honestly, that's still not enough for a 100% synchronized video. With this method, I'm only confident in about 80% character consistency. If any of you know how to hit 100%, let me know. Let's move on to create video. First, look up at the top right. We have 3 video generation modes. 1. text to video, image to video. 2. Component-based video. 3. Scene builder. Let's talk about the differences. Look at the 4 videos on the screen. The first one is text to video. As you can see, every shot is different, nothing connects. But look at the other 3 videos. There's an obvious aesthetic consistency. With image to video and scene builder, you also get narrative continuity. The reason they differ is because their logic is totally different. Text to video, it just uses what you give it. Without reference images, it can't maintain consistency, regardless of the prompt. Image to video, it's rigid. It takes your input image and animates it based on your text. Component-based video, this is more flexible. It uses your reference image as a guide to create footage based on your prompt. Scene builder, fundamentally, it's image to video, but it uses the final frame of the previous prompt as the starting reference for the next. However, if a character disappears or you jump to a new location, it'll look just like text to video. So, plan carefully. If you want to be a pro at AI video generation, my advice is to constantly test and iterate. I know you guys can do this. Now let's see how the presets for these free modes differ on screen. You'll notice they all share model, resolution, and aspect ratio. Text, image to video and component-based video are more similar. Both feature videos per prompt. Concurrent threads and lock seed. The main difference is how they grab references. Let's look at the first mode, text, image to video. Just like with images, we start with the model. You have fast 0 credits, fast 10 credits, and quality 100 credits. Think about it before choosing. Unlike images, bumping video resolution up to 4K costs an extra 50 credits. Otherwise, 720p or 1080p is fine. Remember, higher resolution takes more time. Next is the video frame, 16:9 for landscape, 9:16 for portrait. Videos per prompt works just like the image section. Choose 2, and one prompt creates 2 different videos. The screen shows 4 videos from one prompt. They look different, but the core structure is the same. Next is concurrent threads. Choose from 1 to 10 to save time. Note, on the max plan, each Ultra account gives you 10 threads. So 2 Ultra accounts means 20 concurrent threads. We also have reference mode. Default start end. You manually input the start and end images. Click the options at the bottom to browse your folders. Hit Ctrl+A to select everything. Start image and multiple end images. Pick one start image. Multiple start images and one end image. Pick multiple start images and one end image. Sequential. It sequentially pairs the end image of the previous prompt as the start image for the next. Next is lock seed. Check this to synchronize characters. We still have an import file option for text or Excel. Then choose your prompt format, one line, one prompt, or JSON. There's a text box for your prompt. Check the box to use one prompt for everything. Choose your save path. Add it to the queue and hit Start Now. On the top right, you'll see the row layout again. Checkbox, sequence number, start end image, prompt, result, and progress. It works just like the image section. The bottom area also has delete, clear all, retry errors, run selected, and load session. Just like with images, click the start end image boxes to manually add or remove reference images. If you don't input any images, the tool defaults to text to video. In component-based video, the reference mode works by opening an image folder to call file names. As long as the image file name is mentioned in the prompt, the tool will grab the right file. Alright, the intro is done. Let's jump into the demo. Remember the scene builder images we made? I'm gonna use the sequential reference feature to turn them into a video. Let's see the results. And we're done with the video generation. Check it out here. Now for the final step. My script writing software already generated the voiceover. No editing needed, because it matches the video duration to the voiceover perfectly. Just drop both in and you're done. If you want to see the full video I made, head over to our new channel, Production Hub. I'll link it below. Moving forward, we'll be posting all our new products, keys, and test prompts over there for you guys. Alright, I've walked you through the most important parts of the tool. If you found this video helpful, why not hit that subscribe button to hype me up for the next one? If you have any questions, drop a comment or jump into our Discord. Peace out guys, and I'll catch you next time.